Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be trying rice water for the first time. So this is what it's looking like. So the only difference I think that I did than everybody else is that it's actually fermented for longer than a day. It actually did like 3 or 4 days, I think. It's because my schedule was busy, so I actually put it in the refrigerator a couple days ago just to stop the fermentation process, so I can just record this video without it breaking down, because it literally started, like, the rice started to dissolve. That's kind of how long I had it in there. But this is what it looked like. I added peppermint oil to it because it did not smell great. I just added peppermint oil to it. You can see it's really cloudy. If it settles, you can kind of see pieces of rice in here. But yeah, so I'm just keeping it like that. So I've just rinsed my hair. I had a bentonite clay mask in my hair, and I really didn't want to shampoo it. I wanted to kind of just detoxify my hair, make sure there's no leftover products, because I am going to be doing just a lot of wash and goes this summer. Just want to make sure everything rinsed out. I don't think I got everything, but just to it's easier with what I got going on right now, and they're coming out bomb with less time. So if you haven't already seen my 10-minute, like 15-minute wash and go, then you should check that out, and you'll definitely see what I am talking about. So this is how my hair looks right now. So this is how it looks. See the curls and everything. So I'm just going to divide my hair just in half, like nothing too big. And then I'm just gonna get started, and then I'll let this sit for about maybe 30 minutes or so. So let's this is the one. Okay, so it's already like coming out a little bit, I guess because of the gases. I'm putting it on my scalp. The peppermint oil helps, but it don't help all the way. Just like squeezing it in, like scrunching it so my hair can absorb it. Got another clip. I'm getting my scalp, rubbing that in. Alright, this is how my hair is looking. Not really seeing the difference, but that's neither here nor there. It's like dripping everywhere. Oh, I need my shirt. saturate my hair. Shit. Oh, making a mess. This is what this side looks like. My hair is saturated in the gunk. And then I'll let this side down so you can see the difference. Just in case. So this is freshly washed hair. And then you have this side. Oh no. So I'm just going to pin this up and then kind of like wrap the towel around. Definitely feel the peppermint oil on the scalp though. Definitely. So spray, spray, spray. Like almost as messy as a clay mask. So this is how my hair is looking. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna put everything in clips. Then I am going to spray my hair again. Now I'm going to put on some shower caps and let this sit. I'm gonna give it about 20 to 30 minutes. So I may need to take the clips out, but I don't want to. But I'm going to tie this towel around my head, so, not towel, shirt, so it won't drip everywhere like it's already doing. I know this is a weird little thing I got going on, but it's gonna work. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes when I will come back. Okay, so I'm back. I rinsed it off. I had it in about 20-25 minutes. I'm just ready to get this wash day over with. And this is how my hair is looking from the rice water. My hair feels different. Like, it doesn't feel as dry, but that could be just the water aspect of it. It could look shinier than earlier, but I'm not entirely sure. I am going to put my glasses on though. So my hair feels stronger, but it doesn't feel like it's just gonna break at the drop of a hat. I think my curls are a little bit more defined, but not by much. So it's okay. I think I'll have to keep trying it just to see if I notice any real difference in my hair. So I guess it's a good thing I've already made 4 glasses. So I'm just gonna keep this. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and then I'll just add the new one to this, because I did put a little too much peppermint oil in it. This is all I felt while it was just in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition so I can start on my style. Okay. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, if you have tried rice water, let me know how it worked for you. If you want to try rice water, tell me why you haven't already. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click on the bell so you'll get a notification every time I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.